Welcome back. Today we're going to be working on the transition from single whip to play guitar. As we do it in the form, we have just finished doing single whip, and to do play guitar, we're going to bring the hands down as we bring the right foot to the left foot. Now, my left foot is on a horizontal line. There's no weight in my right foot. My left leg is soft and bent, and my right toe is by the middle of my left foot. As I play guitar, I'm going to take my right foot, and I'm not going to put any weight in it, but I'm going to place it out here. I'm going to do this from the side for a moment. As I play guitar, I can't set my foot out here. It brings my weight forward. So the foot has to be underneath your shoulders. As you sink your weight, you're just placing that right foot out there. If you put it out here, it's going to pull your weight forward. So you have to keep your weight balanced over that back leg. I'm going to do it the way we do it in the form. Single whip, hands come down, and then the hands, not the elbows, just the hands. The elbows are pivot points. The hands come up, and I'm putting this right foot, toe up, and I'm then turning. This right hand stays even with my chest, and I turn. As I turn, my left hand moves the whole left side of my body. My right hand stays here, and I move the left side. Okay? And I'm going to show it to you from this angle as well. Normally I'd be facing over here. Left hand is in line with my shoulder. It's not above my shoulder, it's not down here, in line with my shoulder. That's how all your single whip will be, single whips. My weight is in my left leg. This one is empty. It's just back there on the 45. Okay? All right, so the hands come down as the right foot comes to my left foot. Okay, I didn't put any weight in it. I just placed it there. Then again, my hands come up, not my arms, just my hands. And I set this on the same line as my left heel. Same line. From here, hands come up, heel goes out. And then I'm going to turn, leaving my right hand here, but the whole left side moves, just like that. When we do the warm-ups in class, we keep our chest towards the front. This is how we do our warm-ups. But it's different in the form. In the form, we will turn, just like that. Okay? Right hand stays there, left hand comes towards it. If I do it from this angle, we just finished single whip. Again, you can see my fingertips in line with the shoulder. My right hand is over here on the green line, back on the green line. Hands come down. Hands come up, and the heel sets. Remember, we're still timing the breath and the movement, and hands and feet try to arrive at the same time. So there, the hands came up at the same time, and then you turned the body, leaving the right hand there, turning the whole left side of your body. Good. Let's do it from this angle. Just finished our single whip. Hands come down, and then they come back out, setting the heel and turning. This all happens at the same time. Good. Let's do it from this angle. So we just finished single whip here. We're bringing the hands in, that's pulling the energy in. So we're also working on the breath. The breathing in. There's the end of the breath in and the breath out. That's playing guitar. This hand stayed right over here, stayed here, and I turned my chest and brought my left side to it so you can see it from this angle as well. Now that's a reasonably short one, but there's a lot involved there. And most of the weight when you do this is going to be in that left leg. Weights in the left leg, weights in the left leg. Elbows not come up. Weight is still in that left leg. Turn. Okay? Now it's a short lesson, but you'll need to practice it several times. As we start next session's tutorial, we are going to show the transition from play guitar to shoulder strike. So until then, have a wonderfully Zen day.